Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing a 12 by 12 scrapbook layout, and I'm going to be documenting this picture of my son. This is in San Diego, California, and I also have two of my daughter. And I am going to probably only do one page on camera, and then once I'm done with that page, I am going to work on the second one off camera, obviously. Oh, I'm already getting tongue twisted, and it's the beginning of the video. But anyways, I'm gonna work on the other one off camera, and then at the end of this video I'm gonna share what both pages look like. I am using the collection by Simple Stories. It's called Vintage Coastal, and it's such a beautiful collection. Any of the leftover that I have, I am going to be using this collection to share with my friend Susan. So I have a few of the pages here, like I said, very beautiful and like soft colors. This is the sticker sheet, and then I have a couple of the journal cards. They're double-sided, obviously. I didn't honestly get a lot of stuff. I told you guys that the kit was sold out at scrapbook.com. So then I went to Simon Says Stamp and I placed an order. And I believe that I just honestly got like some sort of kit that came with like the bare minimum stuff. So that's what the paper looks like. I've already showed you the papers. Now I do have the chipboard right here. Part of the chipboard is missing because this is the happy box that I'm putting together for Susan. And as you can see, I've already put some of those chipboards in their respective places. This is summer inspired, but I will be sharing that project later. I'm kind of still working on that. So I have the chipboards here. I have, obviously you guys, I shared the summer pocket pages that I created. And so I have those. And then in here, I have this little just charm in the bead that I just needed to store them somewhere. Well, that's my hair right there. I just needed to store them because I haven't created a layout for my scrap therapy where these are gonna go. But I do have the ephemera here that I'm gonna be using also. And I do have some washi tape, but honestly, I have no idea if I'm going to end up using them. This wasn't part, no, this one. This one wasn't part of the collection. I believe I got these from Amazon a long time ago. But it's watermelon, obviously summer. So I have that. And like I said, I'm going to start off working on this picture. I am going to switch you guys over to speed mode only because honestly I feel like the layout is going to be very simple. What I want to do is I'm going to create a cluster, and I know you guys, I tell you this all the time, but when you have such pretty collection like this one, right? The company has already done the job for you of decorating your paper. So I want to use this one, and then I just kind of want to create a cluster here to utilize this one, and then maybe bring it over, and that's going to complete the page. So hopefully it doesn't turn out to be super long, but that's the idea. I've always encouraged you guys to use the paper like the company does. Sorry, that's my husband calling me. Let me ignore him for 5 minutes. But the company already does a good job of putting the paper that has images together for you. Let me show you another example. Here's another one that's already gorgeous and put together. See? And then you just come in here and kind of find a place right here for your picture, and then leave the paper as it is, because I just love pretty paper. I have a fascination with it. And then you just add dimension to your image. You know, I mean, not necessarily that or that, but you know what I mean? Like, you just add your title and then add some decoration, and it's a simple layout. So that's what I'm going to be working on. I am going to switch you guys over to speed mode, and then you guys will see the end result at the end of the video with both this picture and then my daughter's layout as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so here is our final look of our scrapbook page. This is the very first one that you guys just saw, and like I told you from the beginning, I just wanted to use the background from the paper and then just embellish, like to make a cluster, and just added a few crystals and this little banner at the top. And then the second page is right underneath, and it's this one right here, same concept. I wanted to use the background that the paper company had already put together for us or decorated for us. So I basically just took the two pictures, cut them down to a 3x4, and then did the same thing, embellished on both sides, and added a few stickers here. And that is going to be our two scrapbook pages that you guys see here. Well, they don't fit on screen, but that's this one. I kind of like the simplicity right here because I want that pretty soft color to kind of be there. What a way to describe things, right? But you guys know what I mean. Like, I love the color. Lately I've been doing a lot of white for my scrapbook pages and a lot of soft colors, so I kind of love that. Just added a little bit of the color with the embellishments for this page. And then this one, of course, the light blue, and I just love the way it turned out as well. So just wanted to give you guys those ideas. Always look for the companies for the paper that's already kind of put together for you, and then you guys, the simplicity of just creating a little cluster and now adding a few embellishments makes a beautiful little cluster. So that's all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. I'm just going to bring this one up here so you guys can see it as well. And we will see you on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.